Hi, it's Danny. Welcome to video 4. Let's go back to the first video where we played with some deviation, sometimes called adduction, abduction. We'll do left hand first. Just drop the wrist down, maybe a light pressure with your other fingers on top. Let the wrist come up, light pressure from underneath. You can even kind of take your own right hand and do a finger and thumb lift and lower. Change feet, weight shift. Maybe there's a light push, a light push back, weave, play. Be kind, see what's there free, and see what's there with a little bit extra. Okay, that's it. Let's change over. We'll drop the right wrist down and then back up. You can apply a little pressure with your other hand. You can push from underneath. Again, you can get there with your own thumb and fingers and support that and manipulate that a little more. And then perhaps together. And let's do some circumduction here. Take a medium tight fist, not a solid fist, not floppy, just a bit of a fist there. And the arm wrestlers, to build their forearm strength, they would put their hand into a bucket of rice and do this till you get a good forearm fatigue. This is just movement. Look for smoothness, comfort, not forcing, maybe a light stretch all the way through, gentle tone, flexion, extension here. Okay, so a bit of radial, ulneral deviation, bit of circumduction, more function movement of your wrist joints. Thanks for watching today.